There you go, your Primo Smart Touch water dispenser. This thing is beautiful. Look at the finish on that. It has a chrome silver finish. Right here is where your cold water icon is. So it's just touchscreen. And I'll turn it on so you guys can see, but that's the touchscreen for cold water, cool water, hot water. Then this right here will light up orange, which I'll show you in a few when it's empty. This is your drip tray. I mean, I love how aesthetically pleasing this is. Then this is how you get in. So here, I still haven't even taken it out of the plastic because I'm gonna clean it. This will go inside the water bottle. The tube here. You can see this is connected right there. This will go inside of the water bottles. You place it right there inside, then you close it. This is what the back looks like. Your convenience switches are right here, so you can turn on the heating, the cooling. Use either one of these. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to set it up. Check it out. So I'm just gonna simply plug it in. And you can hear it running right now. That easy, guys. You can see the orange light blinking. That's indicating that there's no water, that we need to refill it. So I'm gonna put that in there now. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you along on the process with me. I want you to see how seamless, how easy it is to fill up your water bottles. We're going to go to our neighborhood grocery store, like 3 minutes away. I'm going to fill it up there and get my Primo water. And if you guys see anything out there that says like Glacier, that's also Primo water. All right, let's go. Here we go. It's lined up. There you go. Just like that. Snap it in. Make sure you don't lose it. Pull it out. And we're out of here, guys. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install the 5-gallon water bottle in your smart dispenser. So all you do is bring it here, pop the top. You gotta love that it's bottom loaded. Now you're gonna take this and stick it right down into the water bottle. Let it click. And then all you have to do is push it right in. Shut it. And you can hear it. Alright guys, once it's set up, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to use. Now here are your icons. You got your dispense control, your cool water. This is your cool water icon. This is your cold water icon. This is your heating icon. Now, once it's already set up, just leave it for an hour. It takes about an hour for you to have chilled water. Only 12 minutes for it to be piping hot. So I'm gonna show you how you do it. This is what you do. You tap this just like so, and then you hit the dispense control. And there's your water. Look at that. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I had a blast being able to show you how easy it is to use the Primo Smart Touch Water Dispenser. We've been using this since 2019. We have a family of 6, and that's all we've been using. We have a 2-year-old who was born in 2020 who almost knows how to use it by herself. So, as you saw in the video, it's pretty easy. It's plug and play, and you go, and it's simple, and the water tastes amazing. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections. Reach out to Primo. You can reach out to me. Again, it's Andy Dooley. I would love to answer any questions that you have and direct you right to Primo. Loved having time with you. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll talk to you guys soon. Much love. It's your boy Dooley. I'm out.